Accessibility.
People with disabilities need accessible information to be able to participate in society on an equal basis with others. It is not enough that creators of digital products consider accessibility issues. Accessibility is not a privilege, but a right. Accessibility requires effective and clear legislation. In this regard, the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities was ratified in 2016 by more than 150 countries, including all EU member states and the EU itself. The UN Convention is thus part of the EU legal order. According to Article 21 of the Convention, information needs to be provided in accessible formats and technologies appropriate to different kinds of disabilities in a timely manner and without additional cost. Article 9 defines this further, addressing accessibility to information and communication technologies and systems, such as the Internet or electronic publications. The European Union implements the UN Convention with its directive, among others. This directive demands that public sector bodies make their websites and mobile apps accessible to people with visual or hearing impairments. On the 23rd of September 2018, the EU member states had to transpose these provisions into their national legislations. As of this date, public bodies were given a one-year period to render their new websites accessible. A transitional period of 2 years has been given until September 2020 to older websites. Mobile apps must be made accessible by the 23rd of June 2021. Another legislative measure, the European Accessibility Act, covers computers and operating systems, ATMs, ticketing and check-in machines, telephones, TV equipment related to digital television services, telephone services, access to television broadcasts, services related to air, bus, rail and waterborne passenger transport, banking services, e-books and e-readers, and e-commerce. The European Accessibility Act also contains requirements that can be applied in other EU legislation concerning public procurement or EU funds. This agreement, the European Accessibility Act, adopted by the European Parliament and the Council in spring 2019, establishes the world's largest market for accessible products and services. It will have a positive impact on the lives of more than 80 million Europeans. Easy access to information and services offers greater independence. Unlimited and unobstructed access to public information is a human right. The denial of this right could be considered a form of discrimination.
Accessibility.
For more information, visit op.europa.eu/en/web/accessibility.